how to get unbanned from Omegle. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution, and today in the video I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned from Omegle. So in the first step, tap in the search bar and type Omegle, press enter. So as you can see that my computer and network is banned for some possible bad behavior. So today in the video I'm going to show you how you can unban this website. So simply open a new tab, tap in the search bar and type VPN extension and press enter. After that, open the first link which says chrome.google.com. So once you open the first website, then it will take you on the Chrome web store. From here on you can add the extension of this VPN. I already add this extension, and once you add extension, simply go back on the first website. Now click on the upper right side where it says extension, open this section and click on free VPN for Chrome. Now I'm going to change the location of the VPN. So guys, that's how you can unban your Omegle account right in your PC, and you don't have to pay for the VPN as well. So this is it in this video. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any question, you can ask me right in the comment section down below. I'll be answering them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up in the next video. Until then, have a good one.